Snoring is a common problem in males, particularly those who are above 45 years of age. Snoring can cause major health hazards, including a condition called sleep apnea syndrome. It's caused because of many factors, most important being overweight and also a habit of smoking or consuming alcohol at night, because these tend to loosen up the sphincters inside and cause more snoring. Apart from lifestyle modification, where we request you to lose weight and carry on regular physical activity, one of the simple techniques we have for reducing snoring is palatal injection. We do certain procedures and manipulations in the palate. One of them could be making an injection, second could be laser therapy, third could be application of a chemical, fourth could be using a coblation device where we harden and shrink the soft palate so that the vibrating curtains become smaller and the sound of snoring goes down.